Hello, third graders, and welcome to lesson 4.3. We're going to work on exploring some measurements today. But first, let's do a number talk. Is Debbie correct? Paul has 12 flies. He feeds his lizard 2 flies each day. How many days will it take the lizard to eat all the flies? Debbie thinks 5 days. Well, let's think about this. What do we know? We know he has 12 flies. He's going to feed his lizard 2 flies each day. How many days will it take to eat all the flies? Well, when in doubt, draw it out, but remember it does not have to be a fancy picture. It's not going to go into an art museum. So I'm just going to think about days. So day 1, he would eat 2 lizards. Day 2, he would eat not 2 lizards, for goodness sakes, 2 flies. Day 3, he's going to eat 2 flies. Day 4, 2 flies. So I'm going to stop here and just take count of how many flies he has eaten so far in the 4 days. 2, 4, 6, 8. So day 5, another 2, it would be 10. Day 6, another day, that would be 12. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Debbie was not correct. Miss Debbie, it's going to take his lizard 6 days to eat all of those flies. So today, it's going to be kind of just a laid back, easy activity game playing lesson. You're going to try this activity. It's called traveling along a ruler. You're going to need a recording sheet, which should be in your folder. You're going to need your pattern block triangle. It's green. You're going to need a die, which is in your toolbox kit. A ruler. This is a 12-inch ruler. I have a 6-inch ruler in your toolkit, but maybe you have a longer one at home, or maybe you have a yardstick at home. And then how do you do it? You're going to need a partner. Your partner rolls the dice. You're going to start at 0 on the ruler. Move the pattern blocked triangle that number of half inches, not whole inches, but half inches. Remember, half inch is that long line right in the middle of the 2-inch markers. Okay? Then you're going to record the number of half inches your triangle moved from 0 on your recording sheet. And then your partner rolls again, and you move that number of half inches from where your triangle stopped. Count and record the total number of half inches your triangle has moved from 0. And then switch roles with your partner and repeat steps 1 through 5. And you can do some talking about it. How many whole inches and half inches together did your triangle move each round? And you can play this 4 rounds. You can also just do this on your whiteboard if you fill up your whole paper, and you can do some more rounds. Maybe you want to try using a yardstick and rolling 2 dice instead of just 1, if you have a yardstick. So when the video is over, or now, you could pause it right here, read through the directions again, get your materials, get your paper, play it for the 4 rounds, and then come back to the video. And then when you're finished with that, here's a game you get to play. I'm going to send home in your folder a deck of cards that's going to have all kinds of numbers. So you're going to find cards 0 through 20, 4 of each. So, you're going to get 4 of the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10s, and 1 each of 11 through 20. So read through the directions for this game. There's 2 sides for the directions. It's called Name That Number, by the way. There is a recording sheet in your folder, and play the game until all of the cards in the deck have been turned over. And then the player who has taken the most cards in the end wins. And in order to get the cards, you have to follow the directions. Okay? And then when you're finished playing that game, there's just one math box page to do today. The last couple days you had quite a few pages today. Today it's just one. Have fun. Have fun with the activity. Have fun playing the game. And I'll talk to you tomorrow.